Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to tell you final prediction for 4th September IELTS exam. And the writing tasks to expected tasks are for work life. An increasing number of people change their career during their work life. What are the reasons for this, and is this a positive or a negative development for a society? And the next one is communication technology. Most people today prefer to socialize online rather than spending time with their friends in a local community face to face. Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? And the next one is for space research. In the future, it seems it would be more difficult to live on Earth. Some people think more money should be spent researching on other planets to live, such as Mars. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So, guys, this is the agree and disagree essay. And now let's move to the next one. Next one is science and technology. Due to the development of science and technology, lifestyle of people across the world are becoming more and more similar to each other. Do you think this is a negative or positive development? Artificial intelligence. Scientists believe that computers will become more intelligent than human beings. Some people think it is a positive development while others think it is a negative development. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. Next essay is related to food. The food travels thousands of miles from farm to consumer. Some people think it would be better to our environment and economy if people only eat locally produced food. To what extent do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? And the next one is related to old age problem. Experts say if the old people spend time and get along with others and exercise every day, they will be healthier and happier. However, many elders are suffering from loneliness and lack of fitness. Discuss the causes and the solution for this. And the next one is related to globalization. Because of global economy, many goods, including what we use as daily basics, produced by other countries have to be transported for a long distance. To what extent do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Next one is old generation often holds some traditional ideas on the correct way of life, thinking of behavior. However, some people think that it is not helpful for young generation to prepare for modern life in the future. Do you agree or disagree? Next one is related to children. Children are facing more pressure nowadays from academic, social, and commercial perspective. What are the causes of this pressure and what measures should be taken to reduce the pressure? Next one is related to newspapers. Although nowadays people are reading news through internet, newspapers still remain of value. Do you agree or disagree? Transportation. Some people believe government should spend money on building train and subway lines to reduce traffic congestion. Others think that building more and wider roads are the better way to reduce traffic congestion. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Culture and tradition. Today, people can use the internet to learn about the culture and lifestyle of other people of other countries. So, there is no need to travel to other countries to learn their culture. Do you agree or disagree? One is related to online shopping. More and more people do online shopping. Why is this the situation, and what is the effect of online shopping on shops and communities? Next one is related to economy. Some people think that economic progress is the only way to measure the country's success, while others think that there are other factors which can be used to measure a country's success. What are these factors? Among them, which one is more important than others? International cooperation. Some people think that the main benefit of international cooperation is in protection of the environment, while others think that our main benefit is in the world business. Discuss both views and give your opinion. And the next one is related to environment and economy. Some people say that economic development is necessary to reduce the poverty in the world. Others say that economic growth should be stopped immediately to stop damaging the environment. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. So, guys, in this way, there are many essays which I have provided to you as expected writing task 2 topic. So, you can see these topics like this topic is essays related to unemployment. So guys, if you find this video useful, then only like, subscribe and share my channel for latest update. And soon I will provide the prediction video for 11th September IS exam. And now look at this writing task 2.